My name is Liberty, and today I'm going to be unboxing the OMG Doll. Pull that, and you just gonna go like this. And this is what it comes with. I'm just gonna get this tire thingy out. This is the doll's picture, and her name is Dazzle. Now I'm gonna take out the brush, and now I'm gonna take the doll out. And I'm gonna take this stand out and another part of the stand out from here. And now I'm gonna assemble the stand. And this is her on the stand. And now I'm gonna see what's in here. There's some tissue paper. There is a little light that goes like this. And it says something when you put it there. It's a light. It's a black light. When you shine it over her eyes, it says neon glow. Now I'm gonna put the ruffles on her. And this is the skirt, and she comes with a little bracelet that you can put on her wrist. And these are her sunglasses. I'm gonna go play with her. Come back and check out for more videos later. Bye.